సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ నుండి ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 8.3 నేర్చుకుంటాం. DEFR మిడ్ పాయింట్స్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్ BC, CA, AB ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ABC. Find the ratio of areas of triangle DGF and triangle ABC. So, triangle ABC. This is A and B and C. Here, D is midpoint of BC. So, this is D. E is AC, midpoint E and F. So, the triangle is this is the DEF. So, what we prove? We find triangle DEF by area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC. How to solve the problem? How to approach to find the ratio of these two? What he asked? Ratio of areas of triangles. Are there any rule to find the ratio of two triangles? No. We find the ratio of two similar triangles. Are they similar? It does not given. So he given a condition. DEF are midpoints of sides. So now using this property or the given condition, we prove that triangle DEF and triangle ABC are similar. Now we proceed. So now you observe DE. D and E are the midpoints of triangle. So the DE is parallel to AB and also DE is half of AB. That is the midpoint theorem in 9th class and basic proportionality theorem use చేస్తూ కూడా ఈ లెక్క చెప్పుకున్నాం. So this is called midpoint theorem. Using midpoint theorem, DE is parallel to AB. DE parallel to AB or DE is equal to half of AB. The next EF. EF is parallel to BC and half of BC. And DE is EF. EF is DF. Next. DF is half of AC. Okay. DE is equal to half of AB. That implies DE by AB is equal to half. And similarly, EF is equal to half BC. EF by BC is equal to half. That implies similarly DF by AC is equal to half. So, DE by AB is equal to half and EF by BC is equal to half. DE by AB is equal to EF by BC is equal to DF by AC, that is equal to half. So, in triangle DEF and triangle ABC are the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So, they are similar in the SSS criterion. SSS criterion of similarity triangle DEF similar to triangle ABC. DE by AB, okay, EF by BC, that is. So they are similar. These are similar. That implies area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC is equal to the ratio of the side triangles. Areas of the triangles are equal to ratio of squares of corresponding side. So DE square by the corresponding sides is AB square. This is equal to DE by AB whole square. What is DE by AB? DE by AB is equal to 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 whole square. This is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. So what is the ratio? Therefore area of triangle DEF is to area of triangle ABC is equal to 1:4. That is the answer. Triangle ABC, XY parallel to AC and XY divides the triangle into two parts of equal area. Find the ratio of AX by XB. Suppose this is the triangle ABC. A and B and C. Then what happened? XY parallel to AC. Where is AC? This is AC. XY parallel to AC. This is X and Y. XY parallel to AC. This is parallel. Okay. Next what? How this parallel line drawn? The triangle divided into parts of ఈక్వల్ ఏరియా. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇది 10 అనుకోండి, ఈ పార్ట్ 10, ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్. అప్పుడు ఏబిసి ఏరియా ఈజ్ 10 + 10 20. అంటే ఇది 10, ఇది 10, ఇది టోటల్ ఏరియా ఈజ్ 20. సపోజ్ బిఎక్స్వై ఈజ్ 30. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఏబిసి? డబల్ 2 × 30. సిమిలర్లీ, సో గివెన్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 × ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ బిఎక్స్వై. దట్ ఈస్ అది ఇచ్చాడు. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ కాబట్టి ఏబిసి ఏరియా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 2 × బిఎక్స్వై. సరే, మనం ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్గా రాసామో లేదో చూద్దాం. అసలు ఇవి బిఎక్స్వైని క్లియర్లీ XY parallel to AC. That implies angle A is equal to angle X. So this is common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to what is the equal angle? Angle B is equal. So this is middle. So A is equal to X. You write. That is triangle ABC similar to triangle XBY. Now, what we prove? Find the ratio of AX by XY. So, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XBY. What is the ratio of the two similar triangles? Is equal to ratio of corresponding sides. That is AB square by what is the corresponding side of AB? XB. XB square. AB square by XB square. That implies AB square by XB square, AB by BX whole square is equal to triangle ABC by triangle XBXY. So what is area of triangle ABC? 2 × area of triangle BXY or XBY by area of triangle XBY. That is equal to 2. 2 × 2. So AB by BX is equal to AB by BX whole square is equal to 2. AB by BX is equal to √2. That implies AB by BX, we want AX by XB or BX. So I write AB AX plus XB by BX XB. That is equal to √2. That implies AX by XB plus XB by XB is equal to √2. That implies AX by XB plus XB by XB is equal to 1 is equal to √2. Therefore, AX by XB is equal to √2 minus 1. That is. So that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. మనం ఏమి నేర్చుకున్నాం ఇంతవరకు? ప్రూవ్ దట్ ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ ఏరియాస్ ఆఫ్ టూ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ద స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ దేర్ కరస్పాండింగ్ సైడ్స్. కరస్పాండింగ్ సైడ్స్ అన్నా రైటే, కరస్పాండింగ్ మీడియన్స్ రైట్, కరస్పాండింగ్ ఆల్టిట్యూడ్స్, కరస్పాండింగ్ యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్స్, ఏదైనా ఇది కరెక్ట్. సరే, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, వీ టేక్ టూ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏబిసి. These are the two triangles. One is ABC and second is PQR. So what is the median? Median is a line segment joining a vertex to its midpoint of opposite side. Let midpoint of BC is equal to D. BC. And this is equal to, suppose this is S. This is. లేకపోతే మిడ్ పాయింట్ కాబట్టి we note it M and this is N. Okay, MN. So this is what we prove. Ratio of, we find triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. ఇది మనం కట్టాలి. ఈ రెండు మనం కట్టాలి అంటే ముందు ఈ రెండు సిమిలర్ అవ్వాలి కదా, ఈ గివెన్ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. So but what he asked, this is am square by pn square. What we know, what we have, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to, we know AB square by PQ square or AB by PQ whole square. Now we prove AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN. If we prove AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN, then this theorem is completed. This problem is completed. So we approach to solve this problem this way. We know this. So if we prove AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN, the problem is the solution of the problem is completed. So how do you prove AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN? So ratio is equal. So we go to the similar triangles. So what are the triangles whose sides are ABAM and PQPN? ABAM and PQPN. So ABM and PQN. So now we prove ABM and PQN are similar. ABC similar to triangle PQR. So similar means corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now we prove ABM and PQRN are similar. సో యాంగిల్స్ అని ఈక్వల్ చెప్పాలి లేదా కరస్పాండింగ్ రేషియోస్ ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్పాలి. చూసుకోండి, ఏబి బై పీక్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు బీసీ బై క్యూఆర్. సో ఏబి బై పీక్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్ ఈజ్ బీసీ? సిన్స్ ఎం ఈజ్ మిడ్ పాయింట్, బిఎం బీసీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2bm and this is also 2qn. That implies AB by PQ is equal to BM by QN. Okay, so in triangle AMB and triangle PNQ, angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. And AM by AB by PQ is equal to AB by PQ is equal to AM by BM by QM. So SAS criteria, triangle AMB similar to triangle PNQ. That implies AM by PN equal to AB by PQ. That is, no, we know triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square by PQ square. What is AB by PQ? AM by PN. So AM by PN whole square. This is equal to AM square by PN square.